Hi, my name is Judy and I own Curvy Boutique by Judy, a virtual boutique, and I'd like to share with you my experience with Vamp Live marketing. I have been in business since 2018 and I go live for a living on Facebook. That's how I find my new customers. But I was feeling really burnt out and I needed to find a new way to find those new customers. So I thought, let me run some ads on Facebook. Well, after spending over $5,000 and getting zero results, I was feeling so discouraged. I came across a review on Facebook recommending Vamp Live marketing. Someone had worked with Steven and they got amazing results. So I booked my first appointment, and during my first session, I knew automatically that Steven was going to be the perfect mentor for me. He is patient, he's knowledgeable, he teaches you the right formula to find your target audience. I just booked 2 more sessions with him because I want to dig deeper into his knowledge. After my very first ad that I ran, only 10 days, I was able to capture 12 purchases, not just Facebook likes, new customers that were purchasing from my ad that I created with the knowledge that Steven gave me. So I highly recommend them. If you're feeling lost and unsure and you're just at your wit's end and you don't know what to do anymore as far as Facebook ads, Vamp Live Marketing is the place to go. I definitely recommend them. You should hit them up.